Yeah, the mama. Hey, mama. Say hi, mama. Boogie, boogie, boogie. Yeah. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull it, Tuda. No. Don't put it in your mouth. Ouch, 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 ouch. That hurt, big girl. That hurt. That hurt, big girl. That hurt. That hurt. That hurt, mama. Hey, big girl. Hey. I got 2 teeth coming in at the bottom, y'all. 2 teeth, mama. 2 teeth, mama. Dookie. Dookie. Boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie. I'm watching Dog make stuffing. Huh? I'm watching Dog make stuffing. To work them fat legs. Work them fat legs, mama. Where you trying to go? Where you trying to go? Huh? Where you trying to go, big girl? Hmm? Whoa. Pick yourself up. Come on. Down. Come on. Come on. Stand up. Alright. That was a lot of work. That was a lot of work, mama. What you want? What's wrong? What's wrong? Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl. No, I'm a puka. You're my puka. My pookie. I'm a little pookie wookie, dookie wookie wookie. I'm a little pookie wookie wookie, dookie pookie, 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 pookie. Mama silly. Leave me alone. I'm watching Doc make stuffing. I'm watching Doc make stuffing. It's a pooty pooty. This is my big mama, y'all. This is my big mama. So Markel took Grace to the park. The reason why me and Izzy didn't go is because I was editing a vlog. No, not a vlog, a hair video. Yes. So if you haven't seen it yet, you definitely should. I have an info card somewhere up here. Give me a kiss. Give me. Ouch, the pull over here. Ouch. Let's get that baby kisses. Mama gotta do her hair, Puda. I got to do my hair, mama. No. That's my big girl. booga, 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 booga. Diggy, diggy, diggy. We silly. We silly. Why don't you go play with the toys? Huh? Ride the horse. I don't want to do all that, Mom. What's up, everybody? So, I just wanted to come at you guys and show you my hair because tomorrow I am doing another video. Markel. But yeah, I am doing a updated blowout video of my hair. And I didn't show you guys the washing and conditioning process because, I mean, that's simple. You could do whatever for that. But I'm just showing it off, you feel me? I haven't really been vlogging because we've been so busy with like moving and stuff like that. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been like crazy tired traveling back and forth from Louisiana to Arizona, Arizona to Louisiana. It's a 20-hour drive, y'all, and it can get very tiring. So that's why we didn't do too much vlogging or anything like that, because as soon as we touched down back in Louisiana, all we did was went straight to packing things up, straightening and stuff like that, and it was a headache, but we're happy that that's over now. We made it back to Arizona. Now we're just chilling. Now it's the grinding time, getting the girls into school and daycare. Kel already got his job and stuff like that. And now it's just time to find us a place to stay, you know, a house or an apartment, whatever. Because right now we are with family friends who are kind enough to open up their home to us for a little while. So, yes, so we're just in the process of looking for somewhere to go. You feel me? Grace is asleep. Izzy is just tearing up this room. I'm assuming she's crawling around. And as you can see, Markel's back there. And as you can hear, he's playing the game. But I just want to come at y'all real quick. I don't know what's going to go up first, is vlog or my blowout video. But either or, I'm going to have an info card somewhere up here. So you can go ahead and check that out. So I just finished flat ironing my hair. Oh, it feels so good to just put my hair up, you know. Now I'm about to go wash my face. Since we finished moving and stuff like that, I have all my necessities. I got my Clarisonic, so now I can go really scrub my face really good. Oh my god. Yes. So I just wrapped my hair to set it into the wrap. Now I'm about to just go wash my face. Grayson should be taking her nap, but I doubt it. So let me go wash my face. So I just finished arching my brows with Nair, but I didn't use my normal Nair, and it's burning right here. Like, look at that. Look. Oh my god. And I did around my mouth too. And look, my lip. I think I got a chemical burn. But my brows are flaky though. But I got a chemical burn. Damn, I'm not using that Nair no more. You know, throughout the move, I lost a lot of things. Either that or I threw it away. And my face Nair, that what I used to normally get rid of the hair on my mouth and like my brows and stuff like that, it's gone. I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna spray my face with this soothing facial mist by Garnier. This is made with rose water, no parabens, dyes, or silicone. So let me spray my face because my face is burning. Oh, that feels good. put the 3-in-1 moisturizer. This is the day night mask, but you can wear it. So in the day, it soothes and hydrates the skin daily. At night, it nourishes and nurtures skin at night after night. And as a mask, if you leave it on for 10 minutes, it intensely nourishes and reduces skin tightness. So directions for day: apply in the morning to clean skin. Just wash my face. Just spray my face with the facial mist, and now I'm gonna apply this. Like, I was gonna wear makeup today, but now I can't. I'm about to put some Neosporin on it. Damn, why did I do that? See, when you're in a desperate need for your brows to be snatched, you'll do just about anything. Go to anyone to do it. I use the regular, like, body Nair to do my brows. Sucks. I swear to God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put some Neosporin or some A&D ointment on it. Let me tell y'all, I put A&D ointment, which is like a diaper rash. It's medicated all over my face. I used to do that whenever I wash my face. It works so good. So right now we are at the post office, waiting for Miss Rhonda to come out of there, and then she's going to get her hair done. Yes, what?
I wanted my hair done.
Got your hair done already?
Fine.
Brows are looking okay. Never filled them in like I normally do, so you're a little bit thinner than I'm used to.
Now I'm going to see my hair.
So yeah, today is Friday. My cow's off on weekends, so I'm curious to know what we're going to do. His birthday is in 4 days. 4 days. My hair needs to be cut. My ends. At least taking like 2 inches off, maybe. 2 full inches off. Yeah. My face feels okay. It still kind of hurts. Other than that, it's okay. So while Miss Rhonda is getting her hair done, we're at McDonald's.
Hi.
Getting some McDonald's.
I'm going to get my teeth done.
I'm about to put this hair up in a ponytail. Because every time I get Izzy, she keeps pulling my hair.
And you can't pull
Yes.
my hair. And look, my hair is like that.
Yeah, and my face looks extra greasy because y'all know I had put, well, did I come back to you after I did that? I had put some A&D ointment on my face, and then I had put some cocoa butter on my lips, so my face is like greased up. And yeah, it's greased up. Had I not done that, my face would have been real matte right now because I used the Milani's conceal foundation thingy. You know, it's like a concealer / foundation, and you know that's pretty matte. So yeah. So I got me the pico guacamole burger. If you never got that before from McDonald's, you're missing out. That's like the best burger that McDonald's have. I used to be a die-hard Big Mac person. The spicy chicken sandwich person, add cheese. I used to be real big on that until they came out with that pico guacamole. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You feel me? So I went into Sally's the other day because trying to figure out what's the hype about this collab beauty makeup line and stuff like that. Of course, they didn't have my shade, which sucks. Just like this Milani foundation is really not my shade. It's a tad bit lighter and it's a little orange on me, just a tad bit, but it's okay. All my makeup is in Markel's car. We never really unloaded everything. We still have everything like in his car and stuff like that. So I'm just using the little bit of makeup that I did bring when we first came down here. So I don't really have everything because like it's creasing. I didn't really have my setting powder like I usually do. So yeah.
Did you get the pickle?
Yes.
No.
Right, 8, 7, 3.
Girl, be quiet.
So do you want 2 hot spices?
Graceland is just so rude.
Cheeseburger. And you want to cook? Is that all? Alright, your total's going to come out to $7.56. Very careful now, okay? Did you want your receipt?
No, ma'am.
Alright, have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Graceland is so rude. So rude. Okay, so let me get this food. And McDonald's sweet tea is on point. If y'all don't agree with me about the burgers, y'all have to agree with me about that sweet tea. You feel me?